In the grand ballrooms of 17th-century Europe, a symphony of movement unfolded, marking the birth of the minuet, a dance of aristocracy and elegance, danced with grace and precision. Each partner move, a testament to social hierarchy and etiquette, mirrored the decorum of the era. However, the dance floor was about to witness a revolution. The French Revolution of 1789 was not only a political upheaval but also a catalyst for change in the world of dance. The waltz, a dance born in Austria, took center stage, embodying the spirit of freedom and romance that defined the era. The 19th century saw the rise of the romantic ballet, where the focus shifted from the rigid lines of the minuet to the expressive beauty of the human form. Ballets, such as La Sylphide and Giselle, captivated audiences with their enchanting stories and breathtaking performances. As the 20th century dawned, a new dance style emerged from the streets of Africa, the Charleston. Originating in Charleston, South Carolina, this dance was a vibrant reflection of the Roaring Twenties, embodying the exuberance and energy of the Jazz Age. The 1920s also marked the arrival of the tango in Europe. Born in the streets of Buenos Aires, this dance, with its passionate, sultry moves, mirrored the complicated politics and passions of the continent during the early 20th century. The swing dance style, a fusion of the Lindy Hop and Jitterbug, was born in the Harlem Renaissance of the 1930s. Danced in a way that expressed the individuality and freedom of African American culture, it was a dance of defiance and joy, a testament to the resilience and creativity of a marginalized community. The 1950s and 1960s saw the rise of rock and roll. With its rebellious spirit and energetic beats, it was a dance style that mirrored the youth culture of the time, a symbol of the generation's desire for freedom and expression. In the 1970s, disco took the world by storm. With its pulsating beats and flashy moves, it was a dance style that embodied the glamour and excess of the decade. The dance floor became a stage for self-expression and freedom, as people danced the night away in clubs all over the world. Today, dance styles continue to evolve, reflecting the times and cultures in which they are born. Each dance, a unique expression of human creativity and emotion, tells a story of its time, a testament to the enduring power of dance to reflect, challenge, and inspire.